Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet. Also, you should watch my previous video about how to understand the crochet charts and symbols. I will pin these videos and my previous videos over here in the corner so you can see them. But in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet these symbols, which is a little bit different than before. So the first one is a front post double crochet. You will get it after I show you what it is. Back post double crochet, front post single crochet, and last but not least, back post single crochet. You will meet this kind of symbols in a lot of designs, so I bet you will probably need them. If you watch my video, then you looking for them, so it's not really difficult to crochet them. So let's get started with it. So first I'm going to show you how to make a front post double crochet. To do that, we need to have our previous rows. So for me it's also actually should be a double crochet. It's usually would be double crochet. So okay, so how you do this, you don't do it into the stitch from your last row as we usually crochet our rows. So that's a regular thing, but we don't do that. We actually go kind of onto our last stitch, so my last double crochet. So as you can see, I'm going to down like that, and I'm hooking up my last stitch from my previous row. So I'm going kind of under it, and then I crochet my double crochet just as a regular double crochet. So now I'm going to show you again how I make it. So just watch what I'm doing, and it kind of makes your last row to pop out, and that's how it should look like. You will probably see it in some projects, and that's really actually easy to do. It just, you gotta understand, gotta see what is a stitch means from your last row, what it looks like. So your row should look like this. It's really pretty, and that's how it looks on the back. That's how it should look like. So yeah, now let's get started with a back post double crochet, and it's a little bit different than the one before. You will see the difference. So we kind of start the same, but we don't go there. We actually go under my project and like this. So I mean, it's kind of a weird thing. When in the front one we went to the front, but in the back post double crochet we go to the back of my stitch from the last row. Yeah, just watch my step, and we go in with a hook under my project and outside to the back, and that's how it looks in the front. It kind of looks in the front when you do the front post, but yeah, it should look like this in the front and like this in the back. So as you can see, it's kind of the same if you do the front post double crochet or the back post single crochet double crochet, excuse me. So now I'm going to show you how to make a front post single crochet, which is basically the same thing as front post double crochet, but with a single crochet. So basically we do the same thing, and it's really will be a little bit different. So now we're actually going onto the top of our stitch from the last row, and yeah, this is how it should look like, the front one. So we go kind of with a hook to the back, from the front to the back, and now we take out our hook to the front. So as you can see, you kind of understand why is it called front and back post. So that's how it should look in the front, and that's like how it should look in the back. And as you already know, what I'm going to show you next is back post single crochet. which is basically the same thing as back pass double crochet with single crochet. So I'm going from the back to the front, and then from the front to the back again, on the top of my stitch from the last row, and I took out my yarn and make a single crochet, and I repeat the same thing, and it's kind of like the same, which is probably doesn't really matter when you do a front or a back thing, because on the front it will look like a back, and in the back it will look like a front. So yeah, it's kind of not really useful for a lot of projects, but you can use it somewhere and it will make a really pretty pattern and really cool design in the front. But you gotta understand how to do this, because if you want your pretty side to be always in the front, you gotta change it sometimes. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel, like this video, write me a comment about what you think, and bye!